Something important, a nugget of information to manage your own worm bin is once you see that the manure or food waste you've given them has reached this kind of texture. So this is like before and that's after. So once you see this kind of texture, you must feed them. You must give them a new layer of manure, paper waste, food waste. Like here, I've just added some food waste. This is how you observe your worms and know when they are ready to be fed. So you don't stick to a specific time frame, you just follow their schedules. Once they're done eating, we start feeding them again. And it might become a more and more faster rhythm as you get more worms. We're basically feeding them now like once a week. When you do that, your worms will thrive. They will expand, you'll have more worms, and you get a plenty amount of compost in pretty quick time. This box produces 4 to 5 liters, 4 to 5 buckets of 20 liters of vermicompost. Let me show you what the bucket looks like. Like this, it's a 20 liter volume. It will weigh around 12 to 15 kg. So one of those Titus worm bins produces 4 to 5 of these. When you have a good amount of worms within 3 to 4 months. It's a good investment to consider if you want to make your own worms. You can buy such a ready setup from me, which will also include worms, embedding, and it comes with 2 boxes stackable on each other. Right now you're only seeing the bottom box, but I will usually add one more on top once the bottom one is full, so that the worms migrate on top. The other option is, if you can do a build like this on your own, do it yourself. You can just buy the worms from me, and you can also come for a visit. We can talk about worms and what your project is about.